Hey loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to do a quick first impression of my flattered Bon Bon Loafers. So if you're interested to know what my thoughts are, just stay tuned. Hey loves, welcome back. So like I have mentioned in the intro of this video, I'm just going to make a quick first impression of my flattered Bon Bon Loafers. So first and foremost, I'm just going to show it to you so you have a little bit of specs about the loafers, and then afterwards I'm going to give you the reason why I have purchased this precise loafers and my first impression about it, so that afterwards, once I wear it for a certain time, I may be able to do a review. So let's head on to the specs. Before I'm going to give you all the specs about the loafer itself, I just want to let you know that I did an unboxing of this loafer. I'm going to put the card just right there, as well as the link in the description down below. Go check it out so you have an idea how it looks like when it arrived and how it was packaged. So in here, I'm going to show you just the left foot. So I'm just going to show you first how the loafer looks like. So this is the inside part, and then this is the front part with all the detailing here. The outside looks like so. This is the bag, and then as you can see, you can bend it as well so it can be, slipper style. And then this is how it looks like from above, and this is how it looks like in the bottom. So as you can see, mine, I got it in a size 35. So just to let you know, I haven't tried this anywhere at all. I just kind of like follow my intuition and all the other reviews that I saw online, and I went through to size. So I have a size 35 most of the time in all of my loafers, heels and such. So I was like, okay, let's try 35, and this size is perfect. So just a quick specs details about the loafer itself. So as you can see, this loafer actually cost 195 euros. I have purchased this end of 2024, same price. So yeah, nothing has changed since end of 2024. So as for the loafer itself, so this loafer is actually crafted in Spain, in Elda specifically. The material, as you can see, this is cow leather from apparently a leather working group gold rated tannery. And then the lining, as you can see, is chrome-free goat leather. Concerning the outsole, it is in tunit. I don't know what it is, but it's in tunit. The shoebox, like I've mentioned, I made an unboxing, so you will be able to see the shoebox, how it looks like. It's actually a recycled paper, no glue and colorants, and it's water-based ink. As for the dust bag, there's also a dust bag with this. It is 60% recycled cotton and 40% recycled polyester. As for the heel height, here, it is 0.39 inch, so roughly around 10 millimeters. Concerning the shipping and handling, it was very fast. Well, kind of like very fast. I think it took at least a week or a week and a half before it arrives here in Belgium. I think it even came from the UK. I'm not sure, but yeah. So there you go. That is the specs of this loafers. Oh yeah, by the way, this loafers exists in different colors. Mine is, as you can see in here, in black, but it does exist in beige also, and also in another finishing, which is in suede, and that is kind of like they call it bourbon, but I think it's cognac. So the leather is only in black and in beige, and then the suede one is in bourbon cognac. So now I'm going to share with you why I have opted for this specific loafers. I actually already have other loafers. I have the Prada chunky loafers. I also have two slip-ons from Gucci. So in a way, I have sufficient loafers. But then I was like, but I don't have a black loafers with, closed at the back. Even though I know I can bend it, but to be honest, I will not be using it bend. I'm just going to use it as a normal shoe. So yeah, and I was like searching the internet, and I was debating between the flattered one and the GH Bass. And then at the end of the day, I picked up the flattered one because for what I can see, it's really more versatile. The fact that, okay, already I can bend it, but also it's totally different from the other loafers that I have, which is more formal style, like the GH Bass indeed. But maybe in the future, I might purchase the GH Bass, the penny loafers to be precise. So maybe that for a near future. But as for now, I opted for this one due to the fact that it's totally different from the other loafers that I have. And it is also very comfy. That is what I have heard after, watching these two specific videos from YouTube. I'm going to put their pictures on the side. I have watched their review about the loafers itself, and I was like, you know what, I have to try it. And that's why I picked up this loafer. I picked up also in black one because I don't have just a classic black. So I told myself, you know what, start with the black one, and if I like it really, I might go with the beige one or maybe with the suede one. But yeah, so I picked this up because it's totally different style from what I have. Like I've mentioned, versatile because I can use it bent or normal. And then also very comfortable when I have tried it to be sure of the size. Oh my God, it was like, immediately a part of my feet. I don't know how to explain it, but you have to try this at first to be able to understand what I mean. At first I was a bit hesitant because when I'm putting my feet inside, it kind of like a bit stiff, but afterwards it was like, no, it was perfect. And since it's leather, it will also move a bit, so I'm not afraid at all. Even though I took my size 35 true to size, I'm sure that it will a bit move a bit, and it will be okay. Also, I can wear this, or I will wear this without socks, and I'll try to wear it with socks to see how it goes. I'm going to show pictures of that once I start using it. I'm going to put that on my Instagram, so be sure to check me out on Instagram and follow me there as well. And then lastly, why I have opted for this one, because this is the kind of loafers that I haven't seen in Belgium. So I was like, that should be great. Totally different vibe from other loafers. So yeah, so those are the reasons why I have opted for this precise flattered Bon Bon black leather loafer. And then lastly, my first impression about the loafer itself. Well, like I've mentioned in the beginning of the video concerning the shipping and handling, yeah, it took quite a bit of time for it to arrive. I think because I have ordered it in December, so it's kind of like, the holidays. It took a week or even 2 weeks for it to arrive here, but no hassle at all once it arrived. It was just, very swift. And then as for the packaging, as for the overall aesthetic of it, I was quite pleased, since it has also a dust bag. It has a all the eco behind the product itself. I was pleasantly surprised. And then also one thing that I really like is that by purchasing this product, I apparently supported the responsible leather manufacturing via the leather working group. So it's a plus, right? So as for the first impression of the loafer itself, I am very satisfied. As you can see, the finishing, the stitches, it is beautifully made. And even the stitching on the side, I don't see any glue or whatsoever, at least not visible. And then the details of the front part here, I'm so excited to wear this. And then the leather part here, it's not too high, so I hope it will not bother my feet. So let's see. Like I've mentioned, I'm going to wear it, and then afterwards I'll make a review about the loafers once I have been able to wear it a lot more. And yeah, I have purchased this actually for spring and summer. So we'll see about that, or even fall, of course. All time season loafers. And then the bottom part, wow. And it has already this protective plasticky thing, so it's already in a certain way kind of like protected. So yeah, there you go. As a first impression, to be honest, overall very satisfied, and like I've mentioned, can wait to finally wear them and enjoy them. So there you go, guys. That was my first impression of the flattered Bon Bon black leather loafers. I hope that this video has entertained you in a certain way and maybe has helped you as well. And if that's the case, please feel free to give this video a big thumbs up, as it will really help the algorithms of my channel. And also, for those of you who are enjoying the contents of my channel but aren't subscribed yet, feel free to click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you will be informed once I have uploaded my review video about the loafers. Also, if you have any questions or whatsoever about the loafers itself, feel free to put it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer your questions. So until then, I hope you all to stay safe and see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.